Hello,
Hi.
my name is Ella. I am from AHEC West, Maryland Health Connections, and I'm here with Joan from Children's in Need. Joan is the Director of Client and Volunteer Services, and she is a designated and distinguished professional with a remarkable career in nonprofit sector. Joan, do you want to tell us a little bit about yourself?
Sure. So I am, like Ella said, I am Joan. I work with Children in Need as the Director of Client and Volunteer Services. In a nutshell, my job is to make sure that client programming is running well and meeting the needs of the community. And then on the volunteer side is all of the recruitment and training, onboarding, supervision of our volunteers. Our agency just grew by one. So we are three staff that operate the entire nonprofit. And then we get the support of all of the volunteers that are there to make sure that families have what they need and the center is ready for services.
Okay, Joan, how long have you been working at Children's in Need?
So I have been there for 18 months. My position was created in 2023 to support the growing needs of our community. And I was very fortunate to be chosen to carry out this opportunity.
And what made you want to be in this line of work? What inspired you to be in the nonprofit sector?
Sure. My heart bleeds for humans and for loving and caring for humans. So I am very honored that I get to do this every day. I have been in Hagerstown for 10 years, and out of those 10 years, 9 have been in the nonprofit sector. So I have been all over from family support to neighborhood partnership coordination, and now in the front line of a nonprofit that is here to serve the community, meet the needs of families that are needing a little extra help. So my heart is in supporting children and families get what they need and access services.
And Joan, how does Children's in Need support the community? Like, can you tell us what is the goal and vision of Children's in Need?
Absolutely. So our mission is that any child in Washington County can access education regularly with their needs being met. So Children in Need has been in operation for 26 years here in Washington County. We are located in Hagerstown, but service all of the cities within Washington County. Right now, we have a little bit over 2,100 children in our regular monthly services, and we provide essential items. And what does that look like? That looks like clothing, shoes, hygiene items, underwear, socks, toothbrushes, and school supplies, books, period products, and anything that kids would need to access school on a daily basis.
So, Joan, I know in a lot of the partnership that me and you have and that you have with AHEC West, I see a lot of Hispanics, and the
Mhm.
Hispanic population is very big that's coming into Children's in Need. In what ways do we, as community helpers, in what ways do we help the Hispanic population?
So one of the things that I like the most about Children in Need, about the space, is that families have already identified it as a safe environment where they feel that they can trust the people that are within those walls. So one of the biggest things for me is relationship-based services. So I am of the belief that if people are coming to me because they feel seen, safe, and secure, I can bring all of my partners into the center and have them meet you there. That establishes that I trust the partner. So that is a safe person for them to trust either at the center and also outside. So I am building a connection between partners and my clients, my families, so that they can get the services that they need outside of the center. Because I don't have time to duplicate services. So I need the partners, but I also want the families to feel supported in connecting with these organizations.
So, for those that have some hesitations about asking for
Hmm.
help, in what are some ways that we can ease their worries and get them the help they need? I know that I've been working with your center for a couple of months now. What is some steps that I can take to make it more known that I'm just there to help, you know?
Sure. I think you do a great job when you are there because you are so approachable. And I think that when we are able to sit in the vulnerability of others and be comfortable in the uncomfortable of others, that speaks great measures. A kind smile, a gentle affirmation, a reminder of how worthy people is, decreases the stigma of accessing help, and they see us as humans. You know, we are not providers of children in need. We are humans that are helping humans. So that is what I invite other providers is to approach it with compassionate care principles so that you're not just this bureaucracy and paperwork. We know we have to meet those needs. We know that we have to be politically correct and we know that we have to enforce our policies, but we also have to be human. When we are doing human services, we have to be human before service. So I do believe that when we have the pleasure of having Ella with us, she brings that humanity and that acceptance and that beautiful smile that you all get to see right now, and that just helps alleviates the uncomfortableness of asking for help.
Okay, Joan, is there anything you want to add about Children's in Need that we should know?
Absolutely, come see us. We are located at 131 West North Avenue, right behind the MLK Head Start building in the back parking lot. You will see our logo under next to the awning. We are open for services to clients on Wednesdays and Fridays, 8:30 to 12, and you are welcome to arrive before 11:30. You don't need anything other than being a Washington County resident and an ID, a valid Freak Picture ID so that we can get you registered. You get registered and shop on the same day. I hope you give us a chance to support your family, and I would love to meet you and see you there. Come see us soon.
Bye, Joan.
Bye, Ella. Thank you.